Panasonic has long been considered one of the top manufacturers of audiovisual projectors. They often deliver superior brightness, high resolution, easy setup, and location versatility, such as classrooms, retail displays, museums, and home theaters. Today I'm going to show you how to install a projector lamp for the most common Panasonic projectors. This video doesn't specify the specific model, but Panasonic has made it easy because the steps are more or less the same across the Panasonic family of projectors. It is important that you purchase the right lamp part number for the specific projector model you have. These lamps are not transferable. Each projector requires a unique lamp part number. Be sure to reference your operator's manual to find which lamp ID your machine requires. You can purchase the replacement Panasonic lamp from our website at myprojectorlamps.com. We have the lowest prices guaranteed. Let's get down to business. The first step is to turn off your projector. Make sure it is at room temperature before touching any component. While your projector is cooling down, let's gather the necessary tools. You'll need a new projector lamp, a Phillips head screwdriver, your user manual if you have it handy, and a microfiber cloth. Step 2 is to access the lamp compartment. The cover is located on the bottom or the rear of the projector. On this projector, you'll find it in the back right corner. Use a screwdriver to remove the screw securing the cover in place. Once you've loosened up the screw, slide and lift the lamp door and remove it out of the way. The next step is to remove the old lamp from the projector. Once again, let's use that screwdriver and remove the anchor screw securing the lamp in place. Once you've loosened those up, you're going to want to locate the handle on the lamp and remove the old lamp from the projector. Make sure you're gentle and avoid touching any of the surfaces of the lens or the surrounding glass to prevent damage or contamination. Once you've removed it, set it aside. Step number 4, and my favorite step, is installing the new lamp. Before inserting the new lamp, clean the inside of the lamp compartment with your microfiber cloth. Let's insert the new lamp into the projector. Make sure you align the plug of the lamp to the connector inside the lamp compartment. Once that's aligned, you're going to want to push in hard enough until you hear a click noise. This lets you know that the lamp has made a positive connection with the projector. Secure the lamp by tightening any and all anchoring screws. Lastly, let's put the lamp cover back into place and fasten tight. Step 5. Connect the power supply. You can reconnect the power supply and turn your projector on. Check for any warning messages or blinking LED indicators to ensure the lamp is installed correctly. Just a reminder, after you install the new lamp, you're going to want to go through the menu settings and reset your hours back to 0. And then you're all set. The future is lit.